Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're diving into one of the most important topics in SQL joins. And to make this truly practical, we'll be using real-world style data from a Mercedes-Benz dealership and sales dataset. We're going to cover 5 types of joins: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, and cross join. I'll walk you through the exact SQL syntax, explain why each join is used, and show you what results you will get with each one. But first, let's understand the data we're working with. We have 2 tables. The first one is called dealerships. It has 50 rows and each row represents a Mercedes-Benz dealership in Pakistan. The second table is called sales orders. It also has 50 rows where each row is a sales record that links to a dealership using the column DealershipID. Now, is this here something important? One of the sales records has a dealership ID equals 99, and that ID does not exist in the dealerships table. We added that on purpose to see how different joins behave when there's a mismatch between the tables. All right, let's start with the first one. Here's the SQL syntax for an inner join. This join returns only the rows where the dealership ID exists in both tables. Let me break that down. We're selecting the dealership name and region from the dealerships table and the model and order date from the sales orders table. We're using aliases here, D for dealerships and S for sales orders, and we tell SQL to join them using the dealership ID. Now, remember the sale with dealership ID equals 99? That dealership doesn't exist, so that sale gets excluded. This join returns 49 rows. That one unmatched sale is not shown. Use inner join when you only want to include valid matched records from both tables. It's perfect for generating accurate sales reports or performance summaries. Next up, the left join. Here's the SQL. This join includes all records from the left table, in this case dealerships, and if there's a match in sales orders, it pulls that into. If no sale exists for a dealership, the sales columns will just show as null. So what happens in our case? All 50 dealerships are returned. If a dealership didn't sell anything, you'll see blanks or nulls for the model and order date. And the sale with dealership ID equals 99. That's not in the dealerships table, so it's excluded. Total rows returned. 50 use left join when you want to see all your dealers, even those who didn't make a sale. Now let's talk about the right join. This one does the reverse of a left join. Here's the SQL. This time, we include all sales records. If the dealership exists, we show its name and region. If it doesn't, those fields will show as null. So what does that look like? All 50 sales are returned. The sale with dealership ID equals 99 is included, but its dealership info, that's null, rows returned 50. This join is really useful for validating sales data or spotting sales linked to non-existent dealerships. Let's move on to the full outer join. This one includes everything from both tables, matched or not. Here's the query. What this does is it shows every dealership, it shows every sale. If there's a match, the data is merged. If not, you'll see nulls on whichever side is missing in our dataset. One dealership didn't make a sale. One sale came from a dealership that doesn't exist, so you'll get 51 rows in total. This join is ideal for full audits, data reconciliation, or spotting gaps in both datasets. Finally, we have the cross join. Here's the syntax. This join is different. It doesn't match data at all. It simply combines every dealership with every sale. Since we have 50 dealerships and 50 sales, that gives us 2,500 rows. You'd use cross joins for simulations, testing, or creating all possible combinations of 2 data sets. Be careful though, they can get big really fast. Each SQL join serves a specific purpose. Use inner join when you only want clean matched results. Use left or right join to catch one-sided data. Use full join when you want a complete overview even if there are mismatches. And use cross join only when you truly need every combination. Practice these with real data, like this Mercedes-Benz data set, and you'll build strong SQL logic that holds up in real-world reporting. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which join you use most often. See you in the next one.